I have a new script to show you. This one for Photoshop. Groups and images from CSV. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. Before using the script, you need a CSV file. Any spreadsheet program should do. The spreadsheet needs at least one column for a group or image name. More likely are a number of columns. Here is an Excel document I've already set up. To add groups, label the column head Group and list the desired names of the groups in the rows below. Additional groups added to the next column to the right are nested inside the last group to the left. To import images, label the column head Image and list the file names for the images in the rows below. Each image will be placed inside the last group. Any group name repeated does not make a new group. Rather, the existing group is used. Moving left to right across the spreadsheet, each column is another group that nests inside the last group. However, when the column head is Image instead of another group, the image is opened and placed inside the current group. When the last column of the row is complete, the next row starts at the top of the document and the process repeats. Once the spreadsheet is ready, save it as comma-separated values, CSV. Of course, you also need the images to import. Here are 6 images that are listed in my example CSV file. In Photoshop, you may create a new document or use an existing document. The script works either way. I'll create a new blank document to demonstrate. To run the script, open the Actions panel. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions panel, select the script Groups and Images from CSV. Click the Actions panel Play button. The interface is divided into 2 sections: Data File and Images. First, choose the delimiter your CSV uses. The default is comma, normal in the United States. Some European countries use semicolon instead. Choose whichever is used in your region of the world. Click the button File to select the CSV file. The path to the file appears beside the button. Next, select the location of the images and click OK. The groups are created and the images are placed inside each group as directed by the CSV data. There's the result. It is also possible to skip a group. I have another Excel document set up to show what I mean. Leave any cell under a group column empty, and the group is ignored. The next column to the right nests inside the prior column that is not empty. You may also add another column for group after an image. This creates a group below the image into which you may add another column for image, which goes into the last group created. I'll run the script again and select the alternate data file. There's the result. These configurations are unlikely, but the script is designed to handle them. That's how the script works. Get the script at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.